Hi, welcome to my channel. Do like and subscribe to my channel for more future videos that will help you. So today I'm going to teach you how to actually compress your images. If your file size are too big, your image loading in your website is very slow. So how do you save the file size of images to be smaller? Okay, right now I'm showing you is actually this website called tinypng.com. You can go to this website. It's able to compress any images like WebP, PNG, and JPG compress. Very useful. I've been using it and telling my students. So you can actually download some images and then try to upload it. I'm uploading a t-shirt. You see, from 188.9 to 86 KB, you save 54%. Okay, so it can save a lot of file size, and that will save your hard disk space and also your website. You can load faster when you load the images. So I hope you like this video. Do like and subscribe to my channel. By the way, this video, right, these images, you see the image quality will still be very good. The original images are this, and the string images is this. The file size doesn't affect the quality much, actually. You can't tell the difference. So don't worry that the quality will be bad. Okay, this website has been used by a lot of people. You see, more than 1 million download already. So trust me, you can use this website to compress your images. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.